FootLocker is to close all foot action stores despite having the successful first quarter. Well, I don't give a damn because I don't never hit off the app anyway. What's going on YouTube? It is your big homie Leonard back again with another video. Now before we get this video started, you already know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to make sure you stay notified every time I upload something. Now today, we got a special. Today we are reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Women's Court Purple. When I first seen this shoe, man, it really brought back some memories. Back when Metallics was sitting on the shelf and people was like,
I don't wear Jordan 1, dog. I'm too late.
Yeah, that was a good time, man. I could just go in the store and just pick up a shoe that I actually wanted without having to deal with y'all resellers. But anyway, man, I'm not finna hold up too much of y'all time because I'm hungry, I'm ready to eat, and I know y'all got stuff to do, so let's go ahead and get to the shoe. Man, all in all, this is a basic shoe. Majority of the shoe white. You got a metallic purple swoosh. You got a metallic purple, what's the thing called? The ankle pad, man. It's purple with a metallic feel to it. Of course, you got your purple laces. Purple insole. I don't know if y'all can see that. You got a purple Nike Air logo on the tongue. And a purple outsole. I love the smell of a new Air Jordan 1. I really do. But yeah, man, these pretty nice, man. Only got 2 complaints. I really hate that they didn't extend the sizes so a big foot motherfucker like me could wear them. And I hate they made a leather tongue. I like the standard Jordan 1 tongue. I don't too much care for the leather. No, I don't too much care for the leather. But they did put the leather on the what that shoe called? I gotta search for the shoe now. Oh yeah, they did make the tongue like the Tokyo, the Air Jordan 1 Tokyo. And I don't too much care for that. Yeah, man, this a pretty decent shoe. Quality ain't too bad. Yeah, that's about it right there. That's about it. But anyway, if you enjoy the content, go ahead and hit the like button for your boy. Don't forget to do that. Oh yeah, and follow me on IG at bighomie_Leonard. And until next time, it shall be a homie.